Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will be creating the fuel tank model. As you can follow along with the detailed view on the right side of your screen. The view will display various images and references that will guide you through the process. So let's start. Double click on the screen and choose the part button. First we have to create the base feature, and to create the base feature first we have to create 4 reference planes at the offset distance of 102, 204, 382 and 513 mm from the right plane. And also, while creating this reference plane, we need to select the flip offset checkbox so that they are created at the back of the right plane. Now we will create the reference planes. From the features command manager, go to reference geometry flyout and select the plane button. The plane property manager is displayed. In the first reference, click here and expand the feature manager design tree and choose the right plane. In the distance, put the value 102 and enter, and choose the flip offset button. Choose the OK button. Again go to reference geometry flyout, choose the plane button. In the first reference, now select the plane 1 which we have created, click here, and the distance will be 102, and choose the flip offset. Choose the OK button. Again go to reference geometry flyout, choose the plane button. In the first reference, now select the plane 2, and in the distance put the value 178 and enter, and choose the flip offset and choose the OK button. Again go to reference geometry flyout and choose the plane button. In the first reference, now choose plane 3, and in the distance put the value 131 and enter, and choose the flip offset. Choose the OK button. Now we have created the planes. Now select the right plane and choose the sketch button. Now we will create the sketch. From the sketch command manager, go to line drop down and choose the center line tool. Click on the origin and create one vertical line. Click here. Again go to line drop down and choose the line tool. Click here and click here. Now go to smart dimension. Click on the origin. Click on this point, and here put the value 51 and enter. Click on this line and this line and put the value 79 and enter. Click here and here put the value 61 and enter. Choose the OK button. Now go to arc drop down and choose the 3-point arc. Click here and here. Click here. Again go to smart dimension, select this arc, and here put the value 86.1 and enter. Choose the OK button. Again go to arc drop down, choose the 3-point arc, click here and here. Click here. Go to smart dimension, select this arc, and here put the value 12.4 and enter. Choose the OK button. Now go to line drop down, choose the center line tool, click here and create one horizontal line. Go to smart dimension, select this line, and here put the value 12.6 and enter. Choose the OK button. Again go to 3-point arc tool, click here and create one arc. Again go to 3-point arc, click here and click here. Now go to line drop down, choose the line tool, click on this point and this point. Now we have to apply some relations. Press and hold the control key and select this line and this line and give a relation tangent. Choose the OK button. Click on this line and this line, give a relation tangent. Select this line and this line, give the relation tangent. Select this line and this line, give the relation tangent. select this line and this line, give the relation tangent. Now go to Smart Dimension, select this arc, and here put the value 30.3 and enter. Click on the origin and click here and put the value 23 and enter. Again click on the origin and this point, and here put the value 54 and enter. Click on this point and the origin, and here put the value 51 and enter. Now select this arc and here put the value 46.8 and enter. Now choose the OK button. Now our sketch is fully defined. Now exit from the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner. Click here. Now that we have sketched on the first plane, we will move on to the other plane by using the reference image on the right side of the screen. Take a look at the reference image on the right side of the screen. This will guide us as we replicate the sketch on each plane, and start by drawing the sketch on the first plane and make sure to match the details and the proportion shown in the reference image, and then apply the same procedure for the remaining planes. After creating the sections, now we need to invoke the lofted surface tool from the Surface Command Manager. Now go to Surface Command Manager and select the lofted surface tool. Click here. The Surface Loft Property Manager is displayed. In the profiles, click here and select the profile 1 and select profile 2. Similarly, select all the profiles. Click here, and click here. Now choose the OK button. Now we have to mirror it. Go to Features Command Manager, then go to Linear Pattern drop down and choose the mirror button. The Mirror Property Manager is displayed. In the mirror face plane, click here and expand the Feature Manager design tree. Then select the front plane as the mirroring plane. And from here, bodies to mirror, click here and select the Surface Loft 1 and choose the OK button. Next, we need to join both the bodies. Go to Surface Command Manager and select the Knit Surface tool. Click here. In the selection, select both the bodies. Click here and choose the OK button. Next, we will create the extruded surface by using the Extruded Surface tool. Go to Sketch Command Manager and select the Sketch button and expand the Feature Manager design tree and select the right plane as the sketching plane. Now go to Circle drop down, select the Circle tool, click on the origin and create one circle. Choose the OK button. Go to Line drop down, choose the center line, click on the origin and click here and click here. Again go to Line drop down and choose the center line tool, click here and create one horizontal line. Click here. Now go to Smart Dimension, click on this line and dimension it and put the value 10. Choose the OK button. Again go to Line drop down, choose the center line tool, click here and create one vertical line. Click here. Now go to Trim Entities, trim here and trim here. Now go to Mirror Entities, Entities to mirror, select this arc and mirror about, select this center line. Choose the OK button. Go to Smart Dimension, select this arc and here put the value 25.4 and enter and choose the OK button. Now select this dimension and delete it. Again go to Smart Dimension, click on this point and the center line and put the value 20 and enter. Now go to Trim Entities, trim here and here. Choose the OK button. Now go to Surface Command Manager and choose the Extruded Surface tool. The surface extrude property manager is displayed. From the direction 1 rollout, the end condition will be blind, and from here reverse the direction. Click here, and in the depth spinner put the value 700 and enter, and choose the OK button. Now we need to trim the surface using the extruded surface tool. Go to surface command manager and select the trim surface tool. The trim surface property manager is displayed. From the trim type, it will be mutual. In the selections, click here and click here and click here, and here keep selections, click here, click here, click here, and click here, and choose the OK button. Next we will create the extruded surface, and this surface is created by extruding a sketch created on the front plane. Now from the sketch command manager, go to sketch button, click here, and expand the feature manager design tree. Now choose the front plane as the sketching plane. Now we will draw the sketch. Go to arc drop down and choose the 3-point arc tool, and click on this point and this point. Click here, choose the OK button. Now go to line drop down and choose the center line tool. Click here and create one vertical line. Now go to smart dimension, dimension this arc, and here put the value 542 and enter. Choose the OK button. Now we have to apply a relation. Go to display and delete relations drop down and choose the add relation button. In the selected entities, select this arc and this line and give a relation tangent and choose the OK button. So now our sketch is fully defined. Now exit from the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner. Click here. Now go to surfaces command manager and choose the extruded surface tool. The surface extrude property manager is displayed. From the direction 1 rollout, the end condition will be mid plane. Now drag the handle displayed with the preview of extruded surface in the drawing area in such a way that it passes through all the existing surfaces, and then choose the OK button. Next we need to create another extruded surface, for which we need to create the sketch. From the sketch command manager, choose the sketch button and expand the feature manager design tree. Now select the front plane as the sketching plane. Now we will draw the sketch. Zoom here, select this line and use the tool convert entities. Click here. Now go to arc drop down and choose the 3-point arc. Zoom here, click on this point, click here and click here, then choose the OK button. Now go to line drop down and choose the center line tool. Zoom here, click on this point and create one vertical line. Then choose the OK button. Now go to display and delete relations drop down. Go to add relation. In the selected entities, select this arc and this line and give a relation tangent. Then choose the OK button. Now go to smart dimension, select this arc and here put the value 305 and enter. Then choose the OK button. So now our sketch is fully defined. Now select this line and make it a construction geometry. Click here. So now our sketch is fully defined. Now exit from the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner. Click here. Now go to surface command manager and choose the extruded surface tool and select the sketch. The surface extrude property manager is displayed. From the direction 1 rollout, the end condition will be mid plane, and click here and make sure it passes through all existing surface. Click here. Now choose the OK button. Next we need to trim the unwanted portion of surface by using the mutual option. From the surface command manager, choose the trim surface tool. Click here and trim type will be mutual. In the surfaces, click here, click here, click here and click here, and here choose the keep selections, then click here, click on this face, click here and click here and choose the OK button. Now we will create the next extruded surface. Go to Features Command Manager, then go to Reference Geometry Flyout, then choose the Plane button. The Plane Property Manager is displayed. From the first reference, click here and expand the Feature Manager design tree. Then select the top plane as the sketching plane. Click here and in the distance spinner, put the value 188 and enter. Then choose the OK button. Now select the plane and choose the sketch button. Go to circle drop down and choose the circle and create one circle over here and choose the OK button. Now go to Smart Dimension, click on the center point of the circle and the origin, and here put the value 165 and enter. Now select the circle and here put the value 88 and enter. Now choose the OK button. Now our sketch is fully defined. Now exit from the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner. Click here. Change the orientation of the model. Go to Surface Command Manager. Then choose the Extruded Surface tool. Click here. Now select the sketch which we have created. The Surface Extrude Property Manager is displayed. From the direction 1 rollout, the end condition will be blind, and from here reverse the direction. Click here. And in the distance spinner, put the value 76 and enter. Now choose the OK button. Click on the plane and choose the Hide button. Now we need to trim here. From the Surface Command Manager, choose the Trim Surface tool. From the trim type, choose Mutual. In the surfaces, click here and here, and from here choose Remove Selection. Click here and click here. Now choose the OK button. Now choose the Planar Surface tool. Click here. The Planar Surface Property Manager is displayed. From the bounding entities, click here and select the internal circle. Click here and choose the OK button. Now we need to create another extruded surface and then trim the surface lying inside it. Now choose the surface plane which we have created. Click here and then choose the Sketch button. From the Sketch Command Manager, now go to Circle drop down and choose the Circle tool and create one circle over here. Click here and here and choose the OK button. Now go to Smart Dimension, select this circle and here put the value 45, then enter, and now choose the OK button. Now exit from the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner. Click here. Now change the orientation of the model and choose the Extruded Surface tool. The Surface Extrude Property Manager is displayed. From the direction 1 rollout, the end condition will be blind, and in the depth spinner put the value 11.5 and enter. Now choose the OK button. Now from the Surface Command Manager, go to Trim Surface tool. The Trim Surface Property Manager is displayed. From the trim type, it will be Mutual. In the selections, click here and here, and it will be Remove Selections. Click here and select the internal part. Click here. Now choose the OK button. Now applying fillet to our model, go to Features Command Manager and then select the fillet tool. Click here. The Fillet Property Manager is displayed. From here, in the items to fillet, click here, select the edge, click here and here and here. Change the orientation of the model and click here and here, and here put the value 3.5, enter, and choose the OK button. So our next fillet is a variable fillet. Now click on this line and hold it and move it in upward direction till here. Now go to Features Command Manager and select the fillet. The Fillet Property Manager is displayed. From the fillet type, choose the variable fillet. Click here, and in the items to fillet, click here and select this edge. Click here and put the value 200. Click here and put the value 40 and enter. And from the profile, it will be circular and change it to straight transition. Click here and choose the OK button. Now click on this line and drag it to downwards till here. Again go to Features Command Manager and select the fillet tool. Click here, items to fillet, zoom here, click here and here and put the value 2.5 and enter. Now choose the OK button. Again go to fillet, in the items to fillet, click here and here put the value 6.5 and enter. Now choose the OK button. Again go to fillet and in the items to fillet, zoom here, select this edge and click here and here put the value 9 and enter and choose the OK button. Now we need to thicken our model. From the Surface Command Manager, choose the Thicken tool. In the thickness parameter, click here and select the model and here choose the thicken side 2 and here put the value 2 and choose the OK button. Go to Features Command Manager and select the fillet and in the items to fillet, select here and here put the value 0.5 and enter and choose the OK button. Next, assigning color to the model, go to Color Property Manager, click here and assign any color and choose the OK button. Now saving the model in a dedicated folder, go to Save drop down and choose the Save As button. Go to Documents, go to Motorcycle Project folder and name it as Fuel Tank and choose the Save button. Now the model is saved in a dedicated folder. Thanks for watching the video.